Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make Tuscan chicken. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 pound of chicken breasts or tenderloins, a cup of heavy cream, a half cup of chopped spinach, a quarter cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes, a quarter cup of shredded Parmesan, a tablespoon of cornstarch, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, a quarter teaspoon of oregano, a quarter teaspoon of basil, a quarter teaspoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of rosemary, and an 1/8 teaspoon each of thyme and marjoram. We'll start by chopping our sun-dried tomatoes into very small pieces. Then we'll set our crock pot to cook on low temperature. Then we'll add our cup of heavy cream and whisk in our quarter cup of sun-dried tomatoes, quarter cup of shredded Parmesan, tablespoon of cornstarch, tablespoon of minced garlic, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon each of pepper, oregano, basil, paprika, and rosemary, and an 1/8 teaspoon each of thyme and marjoram until well combined. Then we'll add our chicken to our sauce and cook in our crock pot, covered, for 2.5 hours. While the chicken is cooking, we'll chop our spinach until we have a half cup. Then we'll stir our spinach into the crock pot before covering it and allowing it to cook for an additional 30 minutes before serving with our favorite pasta. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.